Windows File Explorer shortcut. Two things make more easier when we check multiple windows or multiple folders, and then we need to go to the backward and forward, and that's when we need to go to the PC and start to make the process from the beginning. And now you don't need to do it like this. Just go forward and backward of the folder history with the shortcut. Hold the Alt button and click the left arrow and right arrow, and that's it. You can go to backward and forward, which word you visited earlier. Windows typing tip to make it faster window typing on Windows. When we type, we need to move the cursor one word to another word. To type another word, make these things more easier with the help of shortcut. Just hold the control and click left and right arrow keys. That's it, and it will bring the cursor move backward and forward after one word. Another Windows typing tip: make things smaller when you typing on the Windows. Another typing tip for PC window: we made a mistake on end line and we need to delete it, and we need to select all the line. So let's do it with a shortcut. So hold the shift button and click up arrow and down arrow, and that's it. It will select the one line where the cursor is. Another Windows typing tip: select a word from the cursor. Just hold shift and control and left or right. Then it will select single word, not the whole line. Thank you. Another Windows typing tip: type on the Windows with the turbo speed. Let's do it. Shortcut on typing in window. Type on the turbo speed. When we type, we made a mistake with the 1 or 3 alphabet. Then we need to hold the mouse to select that 3 or 4 alphabet. Then now you don't need to hold the mouse. Then just where is this cursor is put it. Then click on hold shift and click on right and left arrow, and it will select a single alphabet from where cursor is.